Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Mark and I'm an integrative hypnotherapist with Reeves Rewired. Today we're diving into the core of effective hypnotherapy because it's not just about waving a pendulum that you might see in Hollywood movies. It's about truly understanding the right techniques for the right person. So in today's video, we'll explore how different approaches can lead to profound changes. Think of it as a toolkit. Each tool is designed for a specific job. We're going to break down these powerful methods, showing you how they work and who they work best for. So let's get started by looking at one of the most straightforward approaches, direct suggestions. The direct suggestions approach is all about clear, concise instructions to the subconscious. This method is perfect for clients who want a quick fix and respond well to direct guidance. We're talking about rapid intervention here and getting straight to the point. It's incredibly effective for breaking habits like smoking or nail biting, and even tackling performance anxiety. If your client is highly suggestible and ready for clear instructions, this approach can deliver immediate results within only a few sessions. But what if your client needs a more collaborative path? Let's explore that next. Building on the idea of rapid change, solution-focused hypnotherapy shifts the focus to what the client wants to achieve. Instead of dwelling on problems, we're asking, what needs to change to get you to your goal as quickly as possible? Which is similar to phrasing the miracle question. This approach helps clients identify their goals and recognize their internal resources they already possess. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, solution-focused hypnotherapy is about empowering them to use their existing strengths. This method is fantastic for stress management and relationship issues, aiming for quick progress. But what about clients who are a bit more resistant or skeptical? For those who might be skeptical and resistant, indirect suggestions and Ericksonian therapy offer a gentle and non-intrusive path to change. This approach uses metaphorical storytelling and subtle suggestions, like guiding someone to find their inner strength residing under dry leaves. Because of the use of metaphors and visualizations, it bypasses conscious resistance, allowing the subconscious to absorb the message without feeling controlled. Milton Erickson found that tailoring these indirect suggestions to a client's unique behaviors led to lasting positive effects. It's about planting the seeds to change rather than giving the client direct commands. So let's take a look at a framework that helps us understand these thinking patterns even better. NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, is often called the most accessible psychology tool, and for good reason. Because it's all about reviewing and altering thinking patterns to change habits and behaviors. We focus on how clients process information and then help them reframe those patterns towards a positive goal. NLP is incredibly effective for anxiety, moving past traumas, and changing those limiting beliefs that hold us back. It provides a versatile framework that many hypnotherapists, including myself, use as a general guide. It's a powerful way to understand, reshape, and reframe our internal world. So let's talk about how our thoughts literally reshape our brains. We're focusing on cognitive techniques here, and it's all about using repetition to build new neural pathways for positive change. Think of it like paving a new road in your brain. The more you drive on it, the stronger and more automatic that route becomes. Put this principle into practice. This helps us make better decisions and solve problems more effectively. And that consistent practice, it's what makes these positive shifts stick, ensuring lasting change. This leads us right into how we can tackle those deeper, more persistent issues. Building on the idea of rewiring our brains, sometimes we need to dig a bit deeper. As briefly mentioned in a previous video, this is where the analytical perspective comes in, especially for those long-standing negative patterns. We're looking at issues like chronic anxiety or relationship struggles that might not always show up overtly. And we examined specific environments and emotional triggers that are holding on to the negative weight. The goal in these type of sessions is to empower you, the client, to confidently face and process these deep-rooted problems. And often, these deep roots lead us back to earlier experiences. Which brings us to regression therapy and the inner child. It's a powerful way to address those deep emotional roots we just discussed, and this technique helps us accelerate healing in the adult present life by going back to the origins of negative emotional issues, often in childhood. It's about the present day you providing reassurance and validation to your younger self, giving them what they needed at that time but didn't perhaps receive. This process helps break cycles of perfectionism and allows clients to build self-confidence from within, rather than constantly seeking external approval. Ultimately, all these methods aim for a balanced, integrated self. So, in this video, we've explored several powerful techniques, and it all leads us to this, the integrative path to balance. We recognize that humans are complex, and there's no single silver bullet solution for everyone. Instead, we blend these techniques into a collaborative solution built on trust and rapport. And as this series progresses, we'll delve into further and enhanced techniques such as hypnoanalysis. And with this guidance, using many techniques with your clients, you can feel in control, healed, and truly motivated. It's about progressing towards the best version of yourself, finding that sustained state of balance. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.